The super duper feature update. It's super duper duper.
Alright, so you don't have to remake them over and over again. If something messes up, you just go and plop in that next step you need and fix it just like you always wanted to. I'm gonna hand it over to Super to show you how it works.
What's up, y'all? Here with an update on guides, specifically one of our more requested features, which is inserting steps in existing guides. So you can replace them or add to them. We can get it directly from the app itself or from Sidekick. In this case, I'm going to add here, pick my tab, just like you would on recording a guide, except now it's going to start appearing over here, right in the middle of the existing guide. And when you're done, just click OK, update the guide, and voila, here's your steps. It works also over here as well. In Sidekick, like I said, you can add steps from here directly as well too. So pretty quick update, but pretty powerful one too. Good luck, y'all.